The oceans are expansive and wondrous. Not only do they host countless animals and plant species, but they provide us with life force, oxygen, inspiration, and adventure. Whether it's sandy beaches, rocky shores, the deep ocean, or seagrasses, we want to celebrate them because we believe that without the oceans, we would not exist. To highlight the importance of the marine environment, we've created a week of celebration due to commence in the summer half-term. The Southwest Marine Fest is an annual event celebrating the marine environment in the southwest of England and further afield. We welcome anyone and everyone who has a passion for the sea and wants to join us in several marine-themed events. During this week of celebration, you can expect to enjoy events such as community beach cleans, rockpool rambles, marine-themed networking opportunities, and pub quizzes. We will also be hosting online events that you can enjoy from the comfort of your own home, and the main event is our all-day conference where speakers from a variety of backgrounds come to talk to you about their passions and research. We truly believe that there is something for everyone during this magical marine-themed celebration. Join us during the summer half-term and let's celebrate the ocean together.